Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey, and today's unique recipe is Eggless Zebra Cake. Let us start with the ingredients. For Eggless Zebra Cake, you need 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 by 3 cup of yogurt or curd, 1 by 4 cup of oil, any cooking oil, 1 cup of flour or maida, powdered sugar, half cup, and half cup of water. Please have a look onto the description box below for the exact recipe and the steps to be followed. The substitute for egg is yogurt. Hope you all enjoyed watching my zebra cake today, which is completely eggless. Please do not forget to share this recipe and the video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by the name flouraroma. Thank you so much.